Welcome back. Today I will discuss about coordinate geometry. So now if a Cartesian plane two line x dash horizontal line y dash vertical line intersect each other at a point O, it is called origin, coordinate of origin 0 0, and x axis x is called abscissa abscissa abscissa, and y is called ordinate. Now in coordinate geometry, find distance between 2 points. So let a point on first quadrant, point A and point B, find distance between them. So now this point from the x-axis, let y1, and so distance from origin x1. So coordinate of this point x1 y1, and also this point on from x-axis, so distance y2, and this point from origin, so x2. So coordinate of this point is equal to x2 comma y2. Now distance we can find. So distance this from, let point C. Now distance between them x2 minus x1 is equal to x2 minus x1. So this is a rectangle, so opposite side are equal, so AC x2 minus x1, and also this distance from the x-axis, so distance between BC is equal to y2 y1, so y2 minus y1. So now in triangle BCA, so with the help of Pythagoras theorem, so BC square of BC plus square of AC is equal to square of AB. So now put here BC square, distance between BC y2 minus y1, and plus AC x2 minus x1, so AB is square up. So AB square is equal to y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. So now AB is equal to x2 minus x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 square. Now this is distance formula of coordinate geometry. So AD distance D is equal to square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Also D is equal to square root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So this is distance formula. This is called distance formula of coordinate geometry. D is equal to square root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So now according to this formula we can solve exercise 7.1. Now we solve exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Find the distance between the following pairs of point. So first 2 3 4 1. So now x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 1. Now distance formula D is equal to square root x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So now put here x2 for 4 minus x1 for 2 put here and plus y2 for 1 minus y1 for 3 square of. So now 4 minus 2 square of 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus square of 2 and minus 2 square of 4 plus minus square plus and 2 square 4. This 4 plus 4 square root 8. Now 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to, now 2 common out 2 and pair of 2 common out of 2 rest to square root 2. This is unit. Distance D, point D is equal to 2 root 2. And also part of third a b and also minus a comma minus b. So now we can find x1 is equal to a, y2 is equal to b, y1 is equal to b, x2 is equal to minus a and y2 is equal to minus b. Now distance formula d is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So now put here this value, x2 means minus a, x1 means minus a, plus y2 means minus b and y1 means b. So square, then minus a minus 2a square up plus minus b, so minus 2b square up, and also minus square plus 2 square 4a square. So we get 4a square plus 4b square, and also 4 common out, this 4 and a square plus b square, and square root of 4 2, and this rest digit a plus b square. So this is distance of given point. So this is answer. Question number 2. Now find the distance between the point. Find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. So the solution of this problem, so point 0, 0 and 36, 15. So x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 36, y2 is equal to 15. So now distance formula d is equal to x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So x2 minus x1 36 minus 0 square of plus y2 minus y1 15 minus 0 square of. So 36 square of plus 15 square of. So now 36 So 36 square of 1296 and plus 52 to 5. So now 5 plus 6 1 and 9 plus 2 11 2 and 2 plus 2 4 2 to 4 5 and 1. So now 50 15 21. So 3 3 3, 6 and 9, 6 2 1, 9, 9, none 1. So this is 39 unit. And question number 3. Question number 3, determine if the point 1, 5 and 2, 3 and also and -2, -1 are co-linear. So solution of this problem: 1, 5 and 2, 3 and -2, -1. These given point are collinear, so this point lies on one line. So now let A is equal to this point, B is equal to this point and C is equal to this point. So let now x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 5 and also b x1 is equal, x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to 3. Now point a distance of AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So now put here these value: 2, x2 2 and x1 1 square of plus y2 3 minus 5. So now 2 minus 1 square of 1, 3 minus 5 square of minus 2. So now square of 1 1 minus square plus 2 square plus 4. So now square root 5. So distance of AB root 5 unit. And also B point. So B is equal to 2, 3 and C minus 2 minus 1. So x1 2, y1 3 and x2 minus 2, y1 minus 1. So y1 minus 1. So now distance BC is equal to y2 x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So now let these value put here: minus 2 square plus minus 1 minus 3 square. So now this minus 4 square of plus minus 4 square of. So now square of 16 plus square of 16 is equal to square of 32 unit. So BC is equal to square of 32. And also this AC, A for 0.15 and C point -2 -1. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to -2, y2 is equal to -1. So now distance formula d is equal to y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. Now put here these value. So y2 minus 1 and y1 5 square and plus x2 minus 2 and x1 1 square of. So now minus 6 square plus minus 3 square of, so 36 plus 9 is equal to 45 square of 45 unit. So distance of AC. So now these points are collinear. These point are collinear. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. So AC root 45 and AB for root 5 plus BC root 32. This is not equal, so these point are not collinear. So these given point are not collinear. Question number 4. Now check whether 5 minus 2, 6 comma 4 and also and 7 comma minus 2 are vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now this solution of this. So now take a, let point A 5 comma minus 2 and also point B comma 6 4 and 7 C point 7 comma minus 2. So this triangle of vertices. So now we find distance of AB. So A point 5 comma minus 2 and B point 6 comma 4. So x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to -2 and -2, and x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to 4. So now distance AB, point of distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So now these point put here, x2 means 6 and y1 means 5 square of, plus y2 means 4, y1 means -2 square of. So now 6 minus 5 square of 1 plus 4 minus into minus plus 2 square of. So square of 1 1 plus square of 6 is equal to 1 plus 36 is equal to 37. And also point distance of BC, B point 6 comma 4 and C point 7 comma -2. So x1 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to 7, y2 is equal to -2. So distance formula BC is equal to x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So now put here x2 7, x1 6 square of y2 -2, y1 4 square of. So 7 minus 6 1 square of, -2 minus 4 plus -6 square of. So 1 plus 36 square of 37. So distance of BC. And also distance of AC, point A is equal to 5 comma -2 and C 7 comma -2. So now distance of AC is equal to x2 minus x1 square of plus y2 minus y1 square of. So now this value put here, x2 means 7, x1 means 5 square of plus y2 means -2, y1 means +2. So square of, so square of 1 and plus 0 square of. So now these 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So AB, since AB is equal to distance of AB is equal to distance of BC is equal to 37, and these two sides are equal. So given point are, so therefore given point are vertices of isosceles triangle. Proved. That's all.